guys, how are you? What do you think the world will be in 30 years?
Good evening, friends. What is this talk about?
Hi Sandanimala.
Hi Sandha, how are you? We are searching about our future world.
Oh, it's a very interesting question. What do you think about evolution in future?
Hello buddies. By then our lifestyle will be a lot of different from today. There will be change many area like environment, education, technology, health industry and transportation.
Hi, my friends, how are you?
Hello Amaya, what's up?
In future, robots will do all our works just like our houseworks, our office works and many more. And guys, what do you think about future?
Yeah, at that time there will be unimaginable advancement in term of technology, like artificial intelligence, robots, quantum computing, and virtual reality communications.
Another one. In the future health field, people will see more robots than doctors. In the field of medicine, gene editing technology will be very valuable for medicines.
By 2050, transportation will improve a lot. Airbuses and electronic vehicles will be abundant and the fuel crisis will also decrease. It will be a technological revolution. Want it?
In 2050, education will change a lot. They will not need books to learn. They will use technology devices instead of books. Virtual education, e-learning will be most popular and they will done everything in online.
Students will be able to study and learn what they want for as long as they want. I think it will also give more physical, emotional, religious freedom. Well, more time can spend with their families.
Also, many jobs may be lost in the future because everything is done by robotic technology. The value of human labor will be lost.
Despite the crashes involving self-driving cars that have hit the headlines of these years, this area of AI could dramatically reduce deaths and injuries on our roads.
Yes, of course, self-driving cars also increase comfort and decrease cognitive loads with self-driving cars. And share transportation may affect where people choose to live.
Not only will self-driving cars reduce traffic-related deaths and injuries, but also they could bring about change in our lifestyle as well.
Electric vehicle will outnumber gas powered density limits due to global warming. uh, Car will be more intelligent and stronger and light in future. There will be flying cars also.
There are so many electric vehicles. Electric scooters, drones, autonomous buses are already here. Delivered by drones is very amazing. It is the one of the most brilliant advancements.
But no matter what, the inventions of human intelligence can curse the will of man himself because of things like poisons and discovery of weapons.
The crowded cities are always the biggest issue. Some levels are used for human transportation. The very deep levels are used for good transportation.
No matter what happens, there will be no changes in it politics. It would be better if we build politics that loves the country without thinking about their own benefits. Right, friends?
I also agree with that because no matter how advanced technology and communication are, Such control is necessary for the future of our country to be prosperous.
We will able to charge our iPhone with the power of plant. Did you know that we charge our iPhones with power of plant? Forest can become energy station in the future.
Now it's become impossible. For example, Bio is a clean tech company capable of generating electricity from plants' photosynthesis. Here you can watch videos to know more about it.
Buildings in future, there will be buildings touching the sky, and cities will be settled from the ground up, and roads will be built up to several floors.
What do you think schools will be in future?
Considering the pace of technological advancement, it wouldn't be surprising if by the future at least 90% of the students' population is pursuing online education programs.
Also, the weather and climate will change in the future. The world will work to carbon removable technology to reduce environment pollution and global warming.
When we were little, we dream about things like flying cars, time traveling. Now it will be happen in the future. From now on, scientists are testing to make cars that can go over the sky.
We need to prepare for the future now with educational and technological knowledge, and also improve our language skills to face future world challenges.
Guys, do you think that people's attitudes and thoughts will change with the advancement of technology? Because the distance between people will decrease, right? Also, physically and mentally, humanity will decrease in the future.
That is very emotional point because we can't decide anything now. Maybe.
That is true. The future will be a very productive and easy to work era for us as well as the society.
Hey, now we have the evening lecture. So let's go right now. See you again.
Oh, forget that too. We will discuss more things tomorrow, right? Goodbye.